Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. I'm Emily Tichos from Limay, Bataan, 30 years old. I have 6 brothers and 1 sister. I'm third in the family.
Okay, so what is your educational background?
I'm a high school graduate.
Do you have experience as a domestic helper before?
Yes, here in the Philippines.
How long did you work in the Philippines?
3 years.
3 years. So what are your duties and responsibility?
I'm taking care of children and
Household chores. So how old is the children that you take care?
6 years old.
6 years old. How many are they in the family?
They are 4 in the family.
How many children?
1.
One. So one children, the mother and the father. Who is the other member?
Titas.
Auntie. Okay. So what do you prefer to take care? Newborn or children?
Children.
Children. So if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes.
Are you willing to share a room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes,
Are
ma'am.
you willing to work with another helper?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke regularly?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat pork?
Yes.
Do you have tattoo?
Yes.
Where?
At the left hand.
Left hands. So do you have vision problems?
No.
Do you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to support my 2 brothers financially.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.